Hi everyone, my name is Balkis and I'm here to help you navigate the F1 interview during your visa application. We hope that this information serves as a guide and not as legal advice. Supporting documents. What documents should you bring with you to your next interview? You should bring your whole package that was sent to you by AAC that includes your I-20 and your acceptance letter. Don't forget your supporting documents like your passport, transcripts or diploma, employment letter, DS-160 visa form confirmation page, visa application receipt, the CVIS I-901 confirmation, one photo, and most importantly, your bank statement. Check with your local embassy if you were required to bring any other documents. As a tip, we recommend that the most recent bank statement is available in the student's name rather than the parent's name. That just shows that the student has easier access to the funds. It would be helpful to have all your documents organized in a folder under numerical sequence with a table of contents as the first page. It really makes the whole process easier for the visa interview officer to find the page that he's looking for rather easily. Know your purpose and your school's program and how it all fits into your plan. Each applicant has a different background, so it's a great time to self-reflect and really know what your purpose is. Wanting to learn American English as it might not be available in your local country, where they do not employ native English speakers, nor do they have the teaching certificates that are required. Maybe getting an American education is something your employer has requested from you. Or maybe you are looking to pursue a U.S. college or university and want to improve your academic English and experience the educational system before doing so. Your main purpose in coming to the United States should be to study, rather than a chance to work before or after graduation. If your spouse or children are applying for an F2 visa with you as a dependent, they are under no circumstances allowed to work in the United States. If asked by the visa officer, be prepared to answer questions on what the F2, your dependent, will be doing during your stay. Volunteering into the community and attending part-time school is permitted during their stay as an F2 visa in the United States. Does having family members in the U.S. impact your outcome on receiving the visa? Having a family member in the U.S. does not disqualify the applicant from receiving the visa. Just be honest. We're going to be talking about ties to your home country. Under U.S. law, the U.S. visa officer can only approve a visa if he is convinced that you are going to be returning to your home country after the completion of your F1 study. Ties to your home country are usually things that connect you to your hometown or place of residence, like a current job or a future promise of employment, family, owning a house or apartment, financial prospects that you own or will inherit, investments, etc. You must therefore show that the reasons that you're going to be returning to your country of residence is stronger than the reasons why you would stay in the US after completing your studies. Any final tips? Tell the truth and speak for yourself. The counselor wants to interview you, not a family member or an educational agent. They might ask you about you or your family members' past visits to the United States or any prior statuses. There is no single correct answer. However, each applicant will need to establish why they chose the U.S. to study at, and a clear explanation of their plans to return to their home country after they complete their education journey. Remember, if you don't understand a question, you can ask for a clarification, and that is totally okay. Our final tip is to dress for the part. Dress appropriately. Dress as if you're going to a job interview. It does make it look like you're taking this interview more seriously. Remember, the U.S. officer wants to approve you and wants to see you receive a U.S. education and succeed. But it is up to you to show that that is exactly what you plan to do. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at info@aec.edu. Good luck and look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye-bye.